In our endeavor to find and to help you, I have checked almost 15 now AI tools, and this one is another. We are going to unbox this particular resume AI resume tool and see how it is going to help you. Although in the market we have seen a lot of tools like Click Resume or say Resume Star, or you have Jobs Scan and Auto Jobs Apply. Still, I am going to review each and every tool because my whole aim is how I can help you to get a job in next 60 days. For that, you need to get 20 interview calls, and for getting 20 interview calls, you need to apply to at least a personalized application process needs to go across to at least 150 companies or 50, at least 50 companies. Forget 150 companies. If you are able to apply 50 to 60 companies in next 30 days, you are definitely going to hit on to a job in next 60 days. That's my guarantee. Check out this tool. So as we see this tool, it says create your perfect resume today. So import existing resume, and we are going to enter the platform together. Going to take you towards a step-by-step process. So browse and next. You're uploading your resume. Continue. Update my experience. What brought you here today? Update my experience. Uh, my perfect resume has the same thing. What I think we went on the last tool. I think it was uh, pretty interesting. Yeah. Resume now has the same entry points. What you hear now, you had updated. So continue. Let me see. And it looks like so. How long you have been working? 10 plus years. Choose from the templates. Let's choose. Let's keep it simple. And next, why you need a resume? Job seeking. Next. Now let's fill your work history. Next. Yeah, DJ marketing. Meram J. Walter Thompson. Okay. Next. Next. What is where describe your level of education, apprenticeship, internship, associate, doctorate. So bachelor's. Tell us about your education. It is the next skills. Let's see what it gives us. It's pretty same. Resume now and this art skills. They have just changed and made this UI much better. Nothing else. Next summary. Looks like both belong to the same company, man. Do you have any other thing, anything else to add? No, I don't have anything. But looking good, resume template is optimized with smart apply technology to rank higher than other applications. Okay, what does this take us to? So how did the hell it found out these are my websites? It has those things as a part of my resume, right? So work history, keywords. Okay. The only thing is it's not able to reduce this resume. So I wanted this resume. It so without login we can do this thing. The only thing I didn't like it's both the tools are same. So what? Hmm. So what do you think? It's like the whole business idea has been copied. Terms and conditions. So name of the company. Let me see. Control F. So, they say it is protected by patents, but they have straight away copied another website. Either Resume now has copied it from say My Perfect Resume. So this thing and this website, both the websites are delivering you the same stuff. Literally the way they created, the literally the way they have the entire just the UI is a bit weak. Otherwise, everything is same. Even the response rate is the same. Oh, it's literal copy pasting that they have done. In the age of AI, the blown part is it's like the AI went and they scanned one of the websites. They pulled out the code and then they created a new website and they tweaked some particular parts and voila, the website is done. But imagine if AI is able to create more such brands, then what is the difference? According to me, you can either go with My Perfect Resume or Resume Now. Both the websites are offering you the same thing for cover letter and for resume. But this website I just saw resume in My Perfect Resume. It's only about resume, not about cover letters. While the Resume Now has your cover letters and resume both. You can use that website also. But right now, I'm in a state of shock. So I'll be ending this video, and I hope you at least got an understanding about how do you use this simple tools for your job search and get a job in next 60 days. Bye.